Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Cool Gadgets. I hope you are doing well and today's videos is gonna topic about cool gadgets for kitchens. So let's get right into the video. So our first gadget is Rico. Turn food waste into fertilizer in just 1.5 hours. So look, it's too simple to turn our food waste into fertilizer. Do you want a clean kitchen? Your family have enjoyed better home to buy this gadget which helps to remove the waste and turn it into compost by pressing just a button. It's too quick and it's just completed in 1.5 hours. You process food waste that become fertilizer that can be mixed with soil in gardens and potted plants. Rico is designed to be ultra saving energy so you don't worry about wasted energy, and it also has been designed it to be smaller than the similar product in the market and easily fit with kitchen style. Rico doesn't just help you have a cleaner kitchen, and it also better for environment, help us pass on a beautiful earth in the next generation. Guys, let's move to our next gadget, OC9 on Cloud 9. Stainless steel mesher. The mesher is made up of stainless steel that make it durable and ensure that it lasts for a long time, even with regular use. Being made up of stainless steel, this mesher is corrosion resistant. The mesher makes a good mesh without any lumps. Made from high quality stainless steel, this product is food grade, food safe, durable, rust free, and dishwasher friendly. So you can say all in one master. Measurement is oval 24 centimeter round, 18 centimeter long, and zigzag 25 centimeter long. The potato masher is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Has a registered trademark. Any unauthorized seller with certified bear the legal consequence of copyright infringement. So guys, our next kitchen gadget is Prestige Sandwich Maker, model number PGFMBD01. Prepare healthy and tasty sandwiches in the convenience of your kitchen. The non-sticky coated plates need less oil while toasting, making the sandwiches healthy. Choose a range of Prestige Sandwich Maker to add a touch of class and convenience to our kitchen. Durable die cast aluminum grill plates and having heat resistant bakelite body, and also non-sticky coating for oil-free toasting, 700 watts power. Prestige Sandwich Maker PGMFT01 power indicator. The sandwich toaster keeps a power light indicator which makes it very easy to use. It comes with two power indicators. Red light turn on when it's preheating and green lights turn on when the unit is preheated, and also when food is cooked, thus making it extremely safe and easy to use. Prestige Sandwich Maker heat resistant bakelite body. The sandwich maker has high quality bakelite body which offers heat resistance on the exteriors. It has a matte finished look to match your model kitchen exterior. The smooth surface is easier to clean and durable. The, the non-stick heating plate is made up of a durable die-cast aluminum. It needs less oil while toasting and help make the sandwich healthy and help in easy cleaning. A kitchen appliance brand, it's catered to the various needs of homemakers in the country. It has varied product portfolio ranging from pressure cookers, non-stick cookware, gas stoves, induction cooker tops, mix grinders to varied other electric appliance and kitchen tools. The company has been at the forefront of innovative and has been the fastest growing company in the kitchen appliance. So guys, our next gadget is Indri Tradition 3-in-1 kitchen sink organizer. The washing up has never been so organized. With this highly practical design, the main body of the unit provides ample space for storing a washing up liquid bottle and brush, and the integrated rail provides hanging and drying space for damp dish clothes. A large draining plate within the base creates a dedicated area for placing wet sponges, and the concealed reservoir beneath the unit collects any drain water ready for disposal. The entire unit can be dismantled for easy cleaning. Organize your kitchen sink area with this stand perfectly crafted for kitchen sink area. Very innovative design to store all daily necessary needs for sink, work like dishwasher, liquid, brush, cloth, soap, sponges, etc. The main body of the unit provides ample space for storing liquid bottle and brush. The integrated rail provides space for cloth and sponges. The entire unit can be dismantled for easy cleaning. Super quality build using recyclable and non-toxic virgin plastic material. Highly stable, sturdy and durable. Space saver, easy cleaning, convenient use. All the gadgets we use in the video, you can buy it from the link in the description. Let's move to our next gadgets. Travware, art function at home in your kitchen. Made of a durable cast material with non-slip silicon pads, heat resistant up to 475 Fahrenheit, in the Z shape, hold up to 10 pounds of weight. Benefits is multifunctional to take the place of several tools, minimizes clutter in the kitchen, reducing the risk of burns from hot lids, damage to the surface, and puts hot lids while cooking. And unlike other lids holder, Trevia holds your lids in an inverted position, keep the condensing and food particles from cook content. It works with lids of any shape or size, and the break in the rings is wide enough for any user hand with any type of lid handle while leaving it within easy reach at all times. This means both hands are free for cooking, stirring, and spicing for culinary creation, less risk of burn to hands and countertops from contact with hot lids, less of a mess to clean up after cooking. App Trivia isn't just a safe place to reset your lids when you couldn't see use an extra hand. When your meal is ready to be served, fulfill collapse Trivia into traditional trivet to protect your surface from any hot pot, pan or dish. The position is also perfect for compact storage in the useful standard kitchen cabinets and drawers. In the fully expanded position, Trevor transforms into a dual trivet and SCSI to use. It means easy to use. Each button operates the ring close to the push button towards the center. The arrow point the way and rotate the ring to the desired position until you hear a click. The ring lock to into each position to ensure and twice as many pots and pans or finished dishes. Serve and entertain in style. Trivia is usually appealing and perfect for presenting finished dishes is an elegant and unique way, whether in a casual or formal setting. It's it's perfect for kitchen accessories for modern days, aspiring and professional chef, stylish entertainer. Well, just have